brand new A-arms. With a 400EX. Another one. Forgot to reposition the hook. Gotta take the front bumper off. Get all the bolts off of the A-arms. I get it up on the redneck lift. And there she goes. Nice. Take the front bumper off. So I can take these bolts here out. And that one. Right here.
Fuck you, Usher.
Both front wheels off. I'll separate the lower ball joint and the shock. Take the damn bumper off still. Maxxis razors. Sportsmen make great workbenches. Alright, and here we are. Get the power tools out. Taking that bumper off. Ball joint ready to be separated. Got the castle nuts off the ball joint
he got all
there.
his shit back, his license.
And now we're gonna give it a tap with a hammer.
I didn't believe I was driving around.
Look how much plays in these ball joints.
It's not really in the ball joint.
Yeah, up and down big time on that one.
Yeah, but you're moving the whole
Yeah, you got a lot of A-arm play. Wiggle the A-arm back and forth.
And the shock.
And shot, yeah. And this, shoot this one. Up and down.
Not really.
Yeah.
All the plays in here.
On that one, yeah. Then next is the shock. Sweet. Yeah, buddy.
This is
The upper A-arm's about to come out.
now what is there? Washers there? Those?
And now the lower A-arm is removed. Right here, 400EX looks like with no A-arm. There's the old one down here. We've had a lot of problems with it. We had to weld the shock mount. It's bent to shit.
Dude, how's this one look up against the new one?
Oh, you got it up?
Let's see the new one.
That one, right? This one.
That one he got in his hand.
Left, it says L. It says L now.
Here's a comparison to the new one.
Oh, yeah. It's all fucking
Very nice.
Watch this. What about this one? This one.
Got a new A-arm going in. Brand new.
What? Shit sounds good. Yeah.
Hot 937 Hollis #1, the hip hop R&B, and of course that dirty South Crump juice love all on your girls' lips.
All in your girl's lips.
Not responsible for university.
Tightening up the new lower control line.
Come here, go ahead.
Oh, yeah, no, hot937.com. KG going all in on the baby. Hot 937.
What the fuck did that happen?
She ain't let me breathe.
See the shock.
I don't really know what she doing to me, but I really know how she really want me. I'm like, girl, you dancing on me.
There it is.
She dancing on me, dancing on me, she dancing on me, dancing on me. Slow down, son, you killing me.
Not a
And the
shock.
upper A-arm is installed.
Long, free.
Can't get a video.
Some sick,
And now the upper arm is
sick
small.
fucking shot covers.
There it is.
14 skulls.
Sweet.
Red and black.
Oh, no.
I'm thinking about getting them.
A little bit sportier looking, you know what I mean?
Nice.
I might have to hit it up with some silver.